magnificent, dazzling, rare. When you see these words, one thing comes to mind. An extraordinary gem, a marvelous jewel, one that you think you'll never find at the heart of the metro. The Grand Tower Cebu is a 30-story mixed-use development project of Grand Land Incorporated, a member of the Gaisano Grand Group of Companies, located at the upbeat North Reclamation Area. The project site is surrounded with business and financial centers, malls, universities, hospitals, and has the advantage of being close to the sea and air gateways of Cebu. The Grand Tower has three major components: hotel, office, and retail spaces. The hotel occupies 10 floors with 29 units for every floor and will be operated by Dusit International, a world-class hotel chain with 65 years of experience in the hospitality industry and carries one of the most respected international Thai brands. This partnership instantly infuses a substantial market value to your investment. The condo office occupies 11 floors with 19 units in every floor. A new corporate landmark is taking place, a grand workplace for companies with grand visions. A prestigious business address that complements your stature, showcases your image, and reflects your lifestyle. One that will announce your company's growth and unfold your success story. The lower floors are designed to make you enjoy the pleasure of focusing your business in style. Restaurants, bars, and lounges will make your stay at the Grand Tower Cebu worth your while. The Grand Tower Cebu offers not only a luxurious lifestyle, but also a rare investment opportunity. Indulge, be inspired, and make your investment grow.